Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malvika. Today I am here to make stuffed brinjal in different style. I am going to stuff brinjal with the gravy of onion and tomato. For that we require few ingredients. By that we can make tasty and delicious stuffed brinjal. Let's see. We need some brinjals, tomatoes, chopped onion, curry leaves, tejpat patta, salt, peanuts, and basic spices like turmeric, chili powder, coriander, garam masala and amchur powder, cumin seed, fenugreek. Then let's begin with me. Let's begin. Firstly, we will add raw peanuts to the pan. Roast it well. Now we will add cumin seed, fenugreek methi, and roast it well. Or you can add sesame seed instead of peanuts. We have separated roasted peanuts from the pan. Now let it rest for a room temperature. Meanwhile, we'll get ready other ingredients. Now I have grind the roasted peanuts and fenugreek and cumin seed. Let's get ready other spices. So stuffed our brinjal. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, all brinjals are ready. Now we will fill these brinjals, or if you want you can add some chopped onion, to the mixture. Now start filling. One by one. Let's get ready all the brinjal stuffed. Now all the stuffed brinjals are ready. Now we will add brinjals to the pan. See friends, our stuffed brinjal are ready. Let's get ready gravy for the brinjals. Now our onion turned brown. Now we will add tomato puree, Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we will add spices to the pan. Some chili powder, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some salt as per your taste. We will not add so much salt to it because we have already added the brinjals. Now mix it well. Add some water if required. Let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, we will add our brinjal to the gravy. Our gravy properly cooked. Now we will add our stuffed brinjal to the gravy and add some water. By adding the water, we will really mix the gravy properly. Mix it carefully. Let it cook it for at least 15 minutes only. Our stuffed gravy brinjal are ready to eat. Let's serve it. See friends, our stuffed gravy brinjal are ready to eat. You can serve it with a paratha or chapatis. If you go with the recipe, you will definitely find a good taste. Because if you cook only stuffed brinjal without gravy, you find sometimes little spices and less salt into the brinjal. But by this recipe, you will have great taste. Please try. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe as much you can. Stay tuned, stay connected. Keep watching. Thank you all.